You are a Blooket player, this video is for you. Please follow this video step by step to collect 100,000 tokens from the Blooket events. As you can see now, let's go start. I have 5 tokens in my Blooket account. This is my username. You need your username. I open a new tab and here you need searching www.GoTokenPro. This is the official website, GoTokenPro. I press enter. Now token events offer free token. Here you choose how much tokens do you want. This is the maximum. Here you need to enter your Blooket username. As you can see, I enter my Blooket username and I press this red button generate. Now guys, it's loading. I wait to loading. Please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials, guys. If you need help, leave a comment right now and me, I'll be help you with every questions. Just leave a comments, guys. As you can see, it's loading. This is your status online, last update this ago, online user. This is total user, this is reset activity, guys. As you can see, desktop, Android. I recommend you to use your desktop, but you can use your phone, for example. Now I use my computer for this tutorial. As you can see, we sending resource, generating resource. Remember, this is very safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. We never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. This is people vote, guys. You can voting yes or no. It works for you. This person is voting yes. This person is voting no. This is people comments. You can check these comments. As you can see. Add the comments on this button, but I don't add the comments right now. We almost finish it. You don't like a robot, please verify that you're human. Click the verify button below and don't scare it, just verify now. As you can see, guys, human verification request, verify survey, complete a request below and the Blooket token will be automatically sent in your accounts. Good. Now I select first survey. Enter your mobile number, you need to follow this instruction. Access into easy steps. Click continue to start, send SMS to this number. As you can see, it's checking for completion. Now guys, I recorded in my personal phone and I can send the SMS and record at the same time, but I'll be back in 2 minutes. Good guys, I'll be back. As you can see, I send the SMS to this number. I finished the survey, you can check here. As you can see, I enter here and as you can see now it's finished. Now you can close all tabs, guys. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 100,000 tokens from the Blooket events. Just I press climb and now I have 100,000 tokens and 4 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. It's work on any device, guys. Just follow this video step by step. As you can see, yes, as you can see, guys, it's working. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys. I'll be see you in the next video.